Class 4 English Marigold Unit 6 Hiawatha Explanation in Mizo. Hiawatha was a young red Indian boy. He lived with his old grandmother, Nokomis, in a wigwam. Hiawatha chu red Indian mi panopang ania. Api upato tak Nokomis inen wigwama an cheng duna. Nokomis told Hiawatha about the wonders around them. She told him about the stars, the trees, the insects, the birds, the animals, and many other things. Api Nokomis chuan Hiawatha chu abulvela thil makro pui chanchinte azirtir china arsi chanchinte ashila thingkung chanchinte rannung chanchinte sava chanchinte le thildang dang chanchinte ashil chinani. Hiawatha grew up to love them all. He could talk to the birds and the animals and they to him. Hiawatha chuan chung zong chu mangai tak chungin athang liana sava te le ramsa te chu abithaya anni po in ama chu an beve bok china. Then the little Hiawatha learned of every bird its language. Chuti chuan Hiawatha ate takte chuan savatin te tong chu athiam ta a. Learned their names and all their secrets. Anming tele anthuruk te asheveka. How they build their nests in summer. Nipuilain engtinge anbuk ansakti te. Where they hid themselves in winter. Klasika koyange anbiruk ti te. Talk with them whenever he met them. Anni chu amu apiangin abetrina. Called them Hiawatha's chickens. Hiawatha a arte te ti in akava. Of all beasts, he learned the language. Ramsa te zong athiama. Learned their names and all their secrets. Anming le anthuruk te asheveka. How the beavers built their lodges. Beavers then anbuk ansakdante. Where the squirrels hid their acorns. Chepa in athing semim ada chatna munte. How the reindeer ran so swiftly. Reindeer saki chaktaka atlan dante. Why the rabbit was so timid. Sajupui chu engwangin nge ain thlashun em ti te. Talk with them whenever he met them. Amu apiangin anni chu abetrina. Called them Hiawatha's brothers. Hiawatha unaw pate ti in akova. New words. Wigwam buk te chikhat achip kum emo achip zum thingchang le phairuang chilkho matanga ansiam. Beavers tuile khomwala chengchi. North America le Eurasia marlama ramsa chikhat. Thinghi ahain areka arek tuchina. Luya tui khwa na siamna na mangchin. Heng tui khwa na le dan na hi ama tina theitu ransa le ramsa dang laka inven himnan amang china ni. Achunga hianin buk asiam china ni. Acorn ok thingra pian mang sol pit pet nei. Chuan achunga hian arahi a om a he hi ei theya. Ting semim te ne nei nang dewani a pian mang hi. Timid in thlashung zakzum